2023 new snoring solution anti-snoring device Nostril Dilator sleep aid apnea protection device sleep health care. About the product. 1. The devices are safe and easy to use and made of high-quality medical soft silicone. 2. The anti-snoring devices has a unique design that prevents snoring.it maximizes airflow in the nasal cavity. 3. The snoring relief helps reducing snoring nasal congestion heavy breathing and other breathe risks. 4. We provide 4 sizes 2 different style reusable vents to suit any size nostril/nasal passage. 5. The snoring aid was